How you doing, guys? Just a little bit of advice here really. One of the things we found is the easiest way to do your rear lights on a car is take a mould off the original panels. What we did was we used Alfa 156 rear lights in the SPR2. Quite fortunate really. I've got an next door neighbour, Scrap Cars Chelmsford. He does a lot of car collections and everything, and I get a few bits and pieces, keep an eye out what's on the back of his truck, and then obviously swipe bits off of it. So he had a Alfa 156 come in, which is where the lights come on. He also had an ST200 come in, which is obviously where the engine come from for the car as well. So but I'll just show you a little bit of what we did with the rear lights. Like I say, it's easier to take a mould off of a boot. So here we go. These are the housings. We took a mould directly off the Alfa 156 housings. Just obviously at least that way we get direct fit. Now obviously there is a few gaps and bits in between. That's obviously where I tweaked the angle of the lights, because on the Alfa they're actually up the other way on the opposite sides, but we've also given them a slight curve. They're quite a straight light. What I wanted to do was give them an appearance like they're going around the corner. So like I say, take a mould off an original boot. Obviously if you're building a buck and you don't need these pieces in fiberglass, then if you've got the boot to hand and you don't need it, then just chop the metal sections out, just fit them in and just fiberglass them in place. That's what I should have done originally, but we went with this route anyway. So here we are, we've got them in fiberglass. I'll show you with the lights in. Like I say, I've been working on the corners now, trying to get the whole car symmetrical. Like I say, the lights literally just drop in place, so makes it a lot easier. OEM style fitting. Here we go round the other side. Hopefully I haven't got any filler blocking any bits anywhere, stopping me putting me lights in. So there we go. Is it going to go in? Oh, we must have done something. Helps when I put the light in the right place, doesn't it? So there we go. They're just bolted in from the back, easy access from the engine bay as well. But there we go, Alfa 156 rear lights in it, upside down, opposite sides. Now this part of the car is going to be cut out all the way down here, so we're going to have a nice big vent round the back here. Obviously diffuser at the bottom there as well. This area's got to be all thickened up. Obviously a hell of a lot of work to do around this area still. Again, nice big vent round here. But here we go, I'll give you a stand back. You can see the back end of the car. There we go, that's the SPR2. With the back end starting to now take shape.